Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bounce text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Open the Effect controls by selecting it from the panel. Select the text layer and go to the Scale setting. Add the first keyframe with the text at 0% scale. Move the timeline forward 3 or 4 frames. Add another keyframe text at a 125% scale, and finally move 1 or 2 frames forward to add a final keyframe scale of 100%. Adjust the keyframes so that the text comes quickly and slightly bigger than the normal size, then bounces back with decreasing size for the bouncing effect. Once you have done the first text bounce animation into the text layer, you can copy and paste it to have another text layer with the desired effect. Copy and paste as many as you like, but remember to change the text from the layer. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text bounce in and out smoothly. Now you know how to create a bounce text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.